Hi, my name is John Lee. I am the robotics coach for Elizabethton High School from Elizabethton, Tennessee.
And what do you teach or do other than robotics?
So I am the STEM and engineering teacher at Elizabethton High School. So all of the advanced manufacturing jobs in the area, robotics jobs, programming jobs, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, we teach all that at the high school.
Okay, and could you explain a little about the event we are attending today?
So today we're at RDL, which is the National Robot Drone League competition. All the teams that are here today had to qualify through a regional event to get here and compete in today's national event. And Elizabethton has 2 teams here today.
How many members are on each of your teams?
So each of my teams has 6 members. We've got 2 6-member teams for a total of 12 on the team.
And how long have you all had a team from Elizabethton?
This is our second year. It's just our second year in the overall competition.
And what kind of challenges do the students face in their robots and drones?
There's all kinds of challenges. So the big thing is programming autonomously. So the students will design and write a program in Python and cause the robot to do functions on the field without actually driving them manually. Now there are manual driving scenarios that they go through as well, but the best scoring comes from the autonomous programming. The skills that those students will learn in that are very applicable to today's industry. If you go over to LeClaire at the airport, the granola bar manufacturer, all of the stuff that they have is automated. It's all the same type of programming there in that factory that our students are using out here on the field today.
And the winners here, is there a next step?
This is the national event. We actually won a regional over at UVA-wise to qualify to come to the nationals here at ETSU.
Well, anything else I didn't ask that you'd like to say?
No, that's great.
Here. 5 minutes, we're halfway through. Have you accomplished half of what you wanted to? All right, we got some drones. We got that massive robot trying to drop off some coal. Lee County, how you doing over here? You feel good about what you're accomplishing?